Hi guys, welcome back to another Battle of the Foundations. Well, today we are trying out an oldie but a goodie, but this is the Covergirl Outlast All Day Stay Fabulous 3-in-1 foundation. So if you want to see my thoughts on this, you are in the right place. But before we get started, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please just take a moment to hit that subscribe button down below, along with the bell notifications so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. And if you are one of my regular viewers, thanks so much for watching and welcome back. So if you want to see, again, my thoughts on this, just keep watching. Alright guys, as I mentioned earlier, we are going to be trying out the Covergirl Outlast All Day Stay Fabulous foundation today. This is a 3-in-1 foundation with a SPF of 20 in it. And it just says it's an all-day flawless coverage, lasting power of primer, coverage of a concealer, and blendability of a foundation in one. So that's the 3-in-1 there. And I did pick up the color Creamy Natural, so hopefully this will be a good match for me. So as always, I have gone ahead and put on all my serums and creams and primers. I've under eye corrected, and I'll be doing one half of my face with a sponge and the other half with a flat top kabuki brush. This is the Morphe Y6 brush. So let's get started and see how this works out. I've had quite a few people ask me to try this. So I did. Actually had it for quite a while in a drawer. Okay, I probably put on too much, but I guess we'll find out. It's a good color match. It's a nice lightweight feel to it. Doesn't feel heavy at all. It's a little bit dark, just a little bit, so hopefully this doesn't oxidize at all. Alright, so there is one side using just the sponge. Now let's go in and do the other side with the kabuki brush. We might hear Corolla moving around in here today. She has separation anxiety when she's away from me, so we have to have her in here, otherwise she would be howling. And if I have any of the other dogs in here, then they just want to play and make all kinds of noise. So I'm going to forewarn you guys, I have this little twitch going on with my right eye. It's doing it right now. So if you see it, it just means I'm tired. I haven't slept very good the last few nights, so that's what's going on there. And I am pre-filming this. This is, what's today's date? I don't know what today's date is. Today is June 6th, so I'm filming this way in advance. I'm just trying to get things kind of filmed in advance in case something happens with my mom that I'm going to be taking a little bit of time off to get her moved somewhere. So just thought I'd have some ready. Okay, that is going in with both sides. Let's take a quick close-up here. All right, definitely the brush side is still showing a lot of freckles and hyperpigmentation coming through. Brush did a much better job. I did use a pore filling primer and it's definitely emphasizing my pores. Let me go back in with just a little bit more, and I'm going to use the brush since I got better coverage with that. We'll see how well this builds up. Why do I wear white tops when I'm filming foundation videos? I know I'm going to end up getting this all over the shirt, so somehow it's going to happen. Some sort of makeup's going to get on it. How's your weather where you guys are at? I finally broke it out of winter and have at least spring going on, if not summer. We are supposed to be 80 degrees today, and then in 2 days we're supposed to get rain, which should be nice. We are so far behind on our rainfall right now. Okay, I'm going to work this in just a little bit in some areas with the sponge, especially where it's showing on my pores. Yeah, that definitely covered a lot better going in with the brush the second time around. I just wiped it all off around my mouth. Okay, be careful when you go in with this sponge because it will pull it off and just wipe it off very easily. All right, that looks a lot better. Let me get some quick close-ups with my iPhone, finish up my makeup, and I'll be right back. All right, I'm back, and here is the finished look with all of my makeup on. Real quickly, before I start talking about the foundation, I'm just going to go through everything I have on my face. So, of course, I have the foundation on. To set my under eye concealer, I first went in with the Essence Brighten Up Banana Powder, and then I followed that up just kind of around in here with the Winky Lux Diamond Powder. That has a very nice light consistency to it, so it really adds a little bit of extra pop in there. And then all over my face, I went in with the Marc Jacobs, what do they call this one? The Finish Line Perfecting Coconut Setting Powder. To bronze today, I went to an old school. I went into the Too Faced Milk Chocolate Soleil. And to contour, I used the Tarte Hotel Paris. Blush today was the L'Oreal. This is the new ones, the L'Oreal Paradise. And this is in the color 192, Just Curious. And then for highlight today, I went in with the Renaissance Revolution, Makeup Revolution, I should say, Renaissance Illuminate. This one's in the Radiant Rose. I love this one. I'll show you. Got 3 different shades of highlighter in there, and they're just beautiful. They don't emphasize the pores or anything like that. So I really, really do like this. For my eyes, I did a combination of the Too Faced just Peachy palette, and then on my lid, I went in with a little bit of the Pixie Eye Reflections Shadow Palette, and I used this shade here and this one here. And then for mascara, I finally got my full size. This is the Lancome Hypnose Drama mascara. I love this. Let me show you the brush on it. It's got a really unique shape to it. It really gets in and gets all those lashes, and I only have on 1 coat of this right now. So it really goes in and lengthens those lashes for you. Oh, lips. I went in with the Flower Beauty. This is the Mix and Matte Lip Duo. So you have the lipstick on one side and then a metallic on the other. And I just went right in the very center of my lips with the metallic. This is in Honey Nude. So that's a very, very comfortable one. And then I set everything with my Urban Decay All Nighter. I think that's everything I have on my face. So let's go ahead and talk about this foundation and my thoughts on it. For starters, it dried down very nice. This is one of those foundations you can skip using powder. So I did not use that much powder. Went in just very, very lightly with it. That really helped to get everything set into my pores and my smile lines, things like that. I don't see anything really starting to settle that's out of the ordinary. Today's going to be a very good test to see how this wears because it's supposed to be 80 degrees today, and I know I'm going to be outside for a little bit, so because I got to go run a couple errands, so that'll help me kind of figure out how well this will hold up to heat. So I think that is everything. Of course, you do want to make sure that you subscribe to my channel if you have not done that already. Just go ahead and hit that subscribe button and then press that bell notification. You want to make sure that you get all notifications. That way you'll get an alert when I have upload new videos, which is every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. And once in a while, I'm throwing in my new series, which is the Weird Wish Wednesday. If you did not see the episode from yesterday that was up on June 5th, I'm going to leave a card up here. It's pretty comical. I laughed so hard while I was making that. So you will want to go check that out as well. And if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. That really helps me know that you enjoy these types of videos, and I'll continue to make them. So I do a foundation video every Thursday. And what else? Oh, hey, if you got any comments, questions, foundations you'd like for me to try out, please leave me a comment down below. That's how I get ideas of what foundations you guys would like to see me try out. I do have a foundation playlist, so it lists all the foundations that I have tried out already, so you can go check that out as well. And there goes the eye again. I thought I've been getting enough sleep. This is like day 5 that this has been happening, so I've been going to bed really early. So I don't know, maybe I'm stressing. I must be stressing. That's got to be it. Okay. All right, guys. Thanks so much for watching. And as always, I love you. And bye-bye.